Hey everyone, I am Bryce and today I am going to explain to you the best travel insurance for Thailand. Start by opening the Aura's insurance website. It is where you can get travel insurance. Look for the section that says Travel Insurance for Thailand. This is the type of insurance you need if you are going to Thailand. Once you are on the Thailand travel insurance page, you will see an option to buy insurance online. You can pay using any bank card. After you have made the payment, they will send the insurance policy to your email within 3 to 5 minutes. You can use this policy anywhere in the world, either by showing it on your phone or by printing it out. This insurance is perfect for travelers because it helps solve problems quickly. Now you need to select the country you are traveling to. Since you are going to Thailand, choose Thailand from the options. After that, check the boxes for annual insurance and already traveling. This means you are getting insurance for the whole year and you are already on your trip. Next, you will need to enter the start date of your insurance policy. This is the date where your insurance coverage begins. Then you will enter the sum insured. This is the amount of money the insurance will cover in case something happens during your trip. After that, you will need to select the type of travel. This could be things like leisure travel, business travel, or adventure travel. If you have a promo code, you can enter it here by checking the box. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on the next button. On the next page, you will see the total price of the insurance. Double check to make sure everything looks right. You can pay for the insurance online using any bank card. After you have made the payment, they will send the insurance policy to your email immediately. Make sure to check your inbox. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.